Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing my makeup inventory for 2024. These are so much fun to do. We're going to go through the numbers and then towards the end we'll do the ups and downs compared to last year. So let's get started. I have these sorted out in categories, different subcategories. Serums and oils, 2. Face primers, 7. Eyebrow products, 6. This includes powders, pencils, pomades, eyebrow gels / glue, 3. Brow highlighter pencils, 2. Lash glues, 3. Pressed powder, 6. Loose powder, 11. Foundation, 5. Concealers, 7. Concealer palettes, 1. Setting sprays, 8. Face and blush palettes. These are palettes that have multiple face products in them or multiple blushes or both. Just realized I didn't write those numbers in. 7. Highlighter palettes, 6. Bronzers, single powders, 4. Loose highlighters, 3. Single highlighters, which are pressed highlighters, 4. Single blushes, 8. Cream blushes, 4. Moisturizers, 1. And toner spray, 4. In the bronzer category, I want to point out we lost the category because I had pressed and cream last year, and this year I don't have any creams. Next up we have lips. Lip oils, 3. Lip scrubs, 1. Lip balms, 21. Lipstick removers, 1. Lipstick primer, 1. Lip glosses, 5. Liquid lipsticks, 25. Bullet lipsticks, 22. Lip crayons, 8. Lip liners, 10. And lip mask, 1. Now last year I want to point out that the bullet lipsticks and the lip crayons were in the same category, and this year I've decided to break them up in individual category. We're going to do the eyes category next. Eyeshadow primers, 6. Pencil eyeliners, 59. Massive jump. Liner pens, 2. Liquid eyeliners, 15. Gel eyeliners, 2. Mascara. Now here's where we get to some subcategories. Is the mascara. So we have opened, unopened, and colorful and primers. Opened I have 4, unopened I have 8, colorful mascaras I have 2, and I have 0 primers. So that's technically losing a category. Loose glitters, 5. Glitter stacks, 1. Liquid / glitter eyeshadows, 3. Cream eyeshadow pots, 22. Eyeshadow pencils, 8. Mineral eyeshadows, 94. I have lots of Spectrum Cosmetics mineral eyeshadows. Single eyeshadows, 2. Duo eyeshadows, 2. Trio eyeshadows, which is a new category this year. We didn't have any trios last year, 4. Quad eyeshadows, 3. And last but not least, we have 5 to 9 pan palettes, 24 of those. 10 pan palettes, 11, and 12 plus pan palettes, 46. I do love my eyeshadows. So this is the makeup inventory for 2024. Well, here are the makeup inventory 2024 ups and downs compared to 2023. So starting with face, the serums and oils stayed the same. Face primer is down 1. Eyebrow products are the same. Eyebrow gel and glue are the same. Brow highlighter pencils, same. Lash glue, up 1. Pressed powders, down by 3. Loose powder, up 1. Foundations, down 1. Concealer is down 1. Concealer palettes, down 1. Setting sprays, down 1. Face and blush palettes, up 1. Highlighter palettes, down 1. Bronzer single powders, up by 3, and there was no cream bronzers this year. Loose highlighters, it stayed the same. Pressed single highlighters is the same. Single blushes is the same. Cream blushes up by 2. Moisturizers is the same, and toner sprays are the same. Moving on to lips. Lip oils is down by 1. Lip scrubs stayed the same. Lip balms is down by 4. Lipstick removers down 1. Lip primer stayed the same. Lip gloss down 1. Liquid lipsticks up by 4. Bullet lipsticks and the lip crayons, like I stated before, this was a combined total last year. I consider that in the ups and down, and they stayed the same. Even though I was decluttering stuff, they still stayed the same because I brought in new products. Lip liners up by 7, and lip mask is down by 1. Moving on to the eyes, ups and downs. Eyeshadow primers down by 2, pencil eyeliners up by 15, liner pins down by 2, liquid eyeliners up 6, and gel eyeliners stayed the same. Mascaras. The opened went down by 1, unopened down by 1, colorful down by 4, primers down 1, meaning there's not even a primer category for this year yet. Loose glitters stayed the same. Glitter stacks stayed the same. Liquid / glitter eyeshadows down by 4. Cream eyeshadow pots up by 1. Eyeshadow pencils down by 2. Mineral eyeshadows stayed the same. Single eyeshadows down by 1. Duo eyeshadows down by 1. Trios is a new category, so nothing to compare it to. The quad eyeshadows stayed the same. The 5 to 9 pan palettes are down 2. 10 pan palettes are down 2. 12 plus pan palettes are down 10. The total of the 10 and 12 plus pan palettes is 57, and that brings that down 12 palettes from last year. And that is my makeup inventory for 2024 and my makeup ups and downs. I hope you enjoyed the video. I encourage you to do this makeup inventory with your own collection and maybe see where you need to downsize, maybe start project panning, which is coming soon for me as well. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. I have a makeup collection and nail polish collection all coming soon as well. So stay tuned. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. And thank you so very much for watching.